Hello students, in this class we are going to solve the question number 6, 7, 8 and 9 of exercise 6.4. So question number 6 is given there. Find the length of side of a square whose area 441 meter square. So children, this is a square. Yes. Area of this square is given that 441 meter square. We have to find the side of square. So as we know that area of square is equal to, as we know that area of square is equal to side into side, or we can say that square of side. So area of square that is given that 441 meter square is equal to side square. So children, if we find the side, so side we have to find, so we have to find the square root of 441 meter square, that is equal to side of the square. So 441 is the perfect square of 21. Yes. So find the square root of 441. How will you find? There are two methods. First method is there prime factorization method, and second method is there long division method. So according to your convenience, you can apply the methods. Okay. So we have to find by long division method. Okay. We have to find the square root of this. First we make the pair from right hand side and place the bar. So this is the 4, means extreme left digit, means extreme left pair there is 4. You have to find the largest number whose square is 4 or less than 4. So 2 is the number, 2 to the 4. Okay, now write that 2. Now we have to do the double of the divisor. So 2 to the 4. Now here is this 4. So which number we will take there? So by which we have to multiply, we get 41 by 1. So 41 multiplied by 1, that is 41. So remainder is 0. So what is the square root of 441? That is 21. Okay. So 21 is equal to side. So 21 what? 21 meter, because area is given that meter square. So 21 meter is the side of square whose area 441 meter square. Question number 7. In a right triangle, what do you mean by right triangle? Means one angle is 90 degree. ABC angle B measure 90 degree. So children, angle B that measure 90 degree, and ABC this is 90 degree. Okay, and we have a triangle ABC. If AB is equal to 6, AB is equal to 6 centimeter, BC is equal to 8 centimeter. So find AC. We have to find this side. So then the side opposite of right angle, that is called hypotenuse. So by Pythagoras theorem we know that square of hypotenuse is equal to the square of sum of two other sides. So by, write down, by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse is there AC. So square of AC is equal to square of AB, means base square, plus square of BC, means perpendicular square. Square of BC. We have to find AC. So square of AC. AB. AB is given there 6 centimeter. AB is given there 6 centimeter. So square of 6 plus BC, that is given 8 centimeter, to square of 8. First we have to learn the formula. Square of AC is equal to square of AB plus square of BC. Okay, where AC is the hypotenuse, BC is the perpendicular, and AB is the base. So hypotenuse is always, square of hypotenuse is equal to the square of sum of two other sides, there are two legs. So AC square is equal to square of 6, that is 6 is 36, plus square of 8, that is 64. Now square of AC is equal to, children, that is 100. So we have to find the value of AC. So AC is equal to square root of 100. So square root of 100 we learn, that is 10. So 10 centimeter is the AC. What is the 10 centimeter? Second one of question number 7. If AC is equal to 13 centimeter, first we will draw the triangle where B is equal to 90 degrees. So this is B, this is A, and this is C. AC is equal to 13 centimeter. So 13 centimeter. BC is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, 5 centimeter. We have to find AB. What we have to find AB? So apply Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, the children, by Pythagoras theorem, we know that AC square means square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of square of other two legs means square of AB plus square of BC. Okay, square of AC, measurement of AC, that is given 13. So square of 13 is equal to AB, that we have to find square of AB plus BC. BC is given 5 centimeter, so square of 5. Square of 13, have you learned? Yes, that is 169 is equal to AB square plus square of 5, that is 25. Now by transposition law we will transpose it and we get 169 minus 25 is equal to square of AB. 169 minus 25, that is 144 is equal to square of AB. Now we have to find the value of AB. So children, AB is equal to square root of 144. So children, we learn 144 is the square of 12 and the square root of 144, that is 12. So AB is equal to 12 centimeter. Question number 8. It is given there, a gardener has 1,000 plants. He wants to plant these in such a way that the number of rows and the number of columns remain the same, means both are equal. Okay, so find the minimum number of plants he need for more. So total number of plants is given there. Total number of plants is equal to 1,000, but 1,000 is not a perfect square. 1,000 is not a perfect square, so we make it a perfect square. So how many minimum plants are needed? Okay, so how we find? Let's see. 1,000 is there. Okay, so make pair from right hand side. This 3, cos 3 3 is 9. There is 3. Subtract it, we get remainder 1. Now we take 2 pair, that is 0 0. So 3 plus 3, that is 6. Now what number we will write there? So we get this is 100 or less than 100. So when we write that 2, so 62 multiplied by 2, that will be 124, which is greater than 100. So write there 1. 61. So 61 multiplied by 1, that is, now there is 31. So children, subtract it and we get 9, and there 9 minus 6. Okay. 39 is the remainder. Children, we subtract 39 from 1,000 to get it perfect square, but here given that how means find the minimum number of plants we need more. Okay, so it means 1,000 is a number which is greater than square of 31 but less than square of 32. So 1,000 is a number which is less than square of 32 but greater than square of 31. Okay, so what is the square of 32? So square of 32 is equal to 1024. Okay, so we make 1000 as a square, perfect square. So required number we have to add. Required number we have to add. The required number we have to add and to 1000 to make perfect square is equal to 1024 minus 1000 that is 24. So children, but here asked to find the minimum number of plants. So minimum number of plants required more. So number of plants required is equal to 24 plants. 500 children in a school. For a PT train, they have to stand in such a manner that the number of rows is equal to the number of columns. How many children would be left out in this arrangement? Okay. So total number of children is equal to 500. Since 500 is not a perfect square, okay, so what number would we subtract from 500 to get a perfect square? That much student left out in this arrangement. So is find the square root by long division method. Okay, make a pair from unit digit, so place bar there, and the leftmost digit is 5. So we have to find the number whose square is equal or less than 5. So 2 is there, 2 2 ja 4. We subtract it, we get remainder 100. Now twice of the divisor that is 4. What number we have to write there? By that we multiply to get 100 or less than 100. So children, when we write that 2, so 42 is there, 42 multiplied by 2. When we write there 1, so 41, so 41 multiplied by 1. When we write there 3, so 43 multiplied by 3. So when we write there 3, so 43 multiplied by 3, that is greater than 100. That's why we written there 2. 42 multiplied by 2, it gives 84. When we subtract it, we get 16. So children, 16 students left out in this arrangement. How many students? 16 students left out in this arrangement.